here I am. No mountains on the horizon, no stars in the sky. Something, don't even try. I can't even find me, so why should you try? What the hell went wrong? And can I fix it with a song?
What's up? You're so dramatic.
It's what gives me my sparkle.
It kinda is.
Thanks for coming, though.
I was nearby. Saves me from falling down another hole of doomsday videos when I get home. Like, did you know solid rock can liquefy if you hit it hard enough?
Ah, I do now. Hey, at least when it happens, you won't be surprised.
Yeah. That's kind of my whole personality. Hey, look, about everything.
We're interrupting! Hello! Hey, y'all. It's good to see you. What have you been up to?
Oh, you know, the usual. Lying face down on the floor. I've been flying a lot, actually.
Oh, yeah? See anything cool?
Actually, yeah. Hey! I'm glad you came.
Me too. Nasser gave me a lift. He was... I think it's good you invited him.
Whoa. When did you get here?
I've been here the whole time.
Okay. Well, you're welcome. It's nice that you're here. Hey, everybody. I kind of have something to say. I was messing with some music earlier and I thought I could say it with a song or something, but, well, it's like, I guess I just wanted to, okay, look. You guys are my best friends. Every time things get weird, we're still here. And now, stuff is really, really messed up, and I don't think it's just gonna go back to normal. But you all answered my text, and we're still here. Whatever happens, even if nothing is ever okay again, I want us to be okay. I don't want us to give up on each other. Ever. I love you guys.
Wait, did you just heal us with the power of friendship?
I mean, I don't feel worse. I don't know. You're weird, but you're brave.
Things are crazy right now. It's okay if we're a little crazy sometimes, too. And I had this feeling we'd end up here. I just didn't know how. You did that.
To being okay.
To being less than great, but more than dead.
Here, here. You're funny. He's funny. How come you've kept us apart so long?
Yeah, Sib. Why do you keep me locked in the basement?
Dude, I don't even know you.
Now all I need is to be a permanent L&L member.
Dude, was that even a question?
You totally stole the show last session.
My dear Kev.
Why are you looking at me like that? Bang, help.
You got yourself into this.
You got me into this.
Oh, right. Well, I don't care.
Ah, mages. Am I right?
Even if it's for an independent film, if I never see a guy make out with a weight bench ever again, it'll be the best thing that's ever happened to me. Well, anyway, I have his number if anyone's looking for a weird time.
You find the worst guys.
Maybe Fang can get him to direct one of their music videos.
Yeah, I would love that.
I can see it, actually.
Was that Mom on the phone?
Why? So you can narc about us drinking beer?
I was just asking.
Don't worry about it.
Are you sure? It doesn't seem like nothing.
Well, it's about CaldersFest. CaldersFest is kind of on hiatus.
Wait, until when?
I don't know. LJ just said she can't run a festival right now, so...
Oh, Fang, I'm sorry.
Figures. Sorry, man.
You've been killing yourself over this. That's not fair.
Yeah. Sucks, dude.
It's weird. I feel like I should be more upset than I am. I mean, I'm not thrilled, but I'm also weirdly, like, at peace. It's all I've thought about for a year, and right now, I'm just relieved you guys are here. Yeah, I mean, CaldersFest doesn't... bring me midnight snacks and hex my enemies. Who needs the future when you have all your friends in the present, right?
Seriously? This was your big thing. How can you say it just doesn't matter? How are we supposed to just be fine?
What else are we gonna do? It's not like we can stop it.
I know, but that doesn't mean we can pretend everything is okay.
No one's pretending, Naomi.
Yeah, there are some things that just can't be changed.
Better to accept reality for what it is. No point in getting upset about it.
Maybe for you guys, but some of us had plans for the future.
Excuse me?
Guys!
It's easy for you guys to give up on everything, but I had so much planned. I have so many things I've worked on that I'll never get to see.
What, you think you're the only one? Sage isn't gonna get to be a chef, Fang isn't getting CaldersFest.
Yeah, but what about you? Were you planning on letting the cards choose a career for you?
Naomi, are you actually talking about a career right now? There's way more to life.
Easy for you to say. Some people want more from life than deliveries and board games.
Whoa, cool it.
You, of all people, should understand where I'm coming from, Trish.
Yeah, but I care more about my friends than my career. What?
You had no problems letting your career get between us.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
You avoid me all the time, and the world is gonna end any fucking day now.
That's rich coming from you. You're like the most avoidant person I know.
You need to cool down.
Fine, whatever. Now that your dream is canceled, I guess we should all just accept our fates.
Oh, fuck off, Naomi.
So, that was a lot. You doing okay? I don't blame you. I've never seen us fight like that.
Me neither.
And I can't believe Naomi said all that stuff either.
Yeah. I mean, she made some points.
I guess, yeah. And she didn't have to be a dick about it, though.
I don't think she meant everything she said.
Yeah, well, she better not have.
She's just frustrated. I think that part's on me.
Oh?
Yeah. So it's on me to fix it.
Oh, good. Because I don't think I can bake my way out of this one. What about you, though? Did you mean everything you said? Like, about CaldersFest and having a future.
I think so. Honestly, I'm not really sure. It's easier to say that kind of stuff in grand speeches than it is in quiet moments.
Yeah.
I mean, if I have to choose between my friends or CaldersFest on my last day on Earth, I'll obviously choose my friends. But it still sucks to have to make the choice at all. But I guess it's been made for me. End of days.
I just, like... I still can't wrap my head around it all. Like, it's senior year. The biggest thing I should be afraid of is hearing back from culinary schools. Not everything and everyone dying because of a meteor.
Yeah. I wish I was just stressed about going on tour, not dying.
I mean, you could still go on tour. And we're not dead yet. So?
No, not without Trish and Reed. Not on my own. It's all I wanted, but it's not worth losing time with my friends. And all it took was the literal apocalypse for me to realize that.
I hate feeling like everything I did was for nothing.
Same. But maybe it wasn't for nothing.
What do you mean?
I thought that being successful was what I wanted from music, but honestly, it's always been fun for me, even when we sucked. As long as I had Trish and Reed with me, it was worth it. Is it possible that baking was still worth it for you? You might not be professionally trained, but you're still amazing. And I think people would literally murder for the last cookie on the tray.
I mean, I think it was. But I can't help it. It just still feels like a waste, you know?
No one would ever say that your baking was a waste of time. And you love it. Nothing you love is a waste.
Yeah. I love the process of putting it all together. And I love being able to serve the finished bake to my friends.
That's something the meteor can't take from you.
Yeah, you're right.
Hey, is she...
Dunno. I decided to give her some space. You might have better luck, though.
Got it. Yeah, I'll do that in a bit.
Never thought I'd see Naomi go off on someone like that.
Me neither.
Never thought I'd see you tell her to fuck off, either.
I can't believe I said that.
Neither can I.
Naomi's gonna hate me forever.
Probably.
She's gonna dance on my grave.
Most likely.
She is gonna save the whole planet from the meteor with her super science brain and then choose to leave me behind and watch me get flattened.
Yep. All that, and more.
You're not great at this whole reassurance thing, Nasser.
Oh. Is that what we were doing? I thought we were wallowing in much-deserved guilt after you cussed out my best friend.
I didn't mean to say it. I didn't want to hurt her.
You never do. But it keeps happening. She's liked you for a while, Sib. She's not exactly subtle. Maybe you never cared enough to notice.
Hey,
Band has always been your priority. It's easy to get left behind. Not just Naomi, either.
oh. I'm sorry, Nasser.
It's fine. Well, it's not. But I kept myself busy, so... wasn't a total abyss of despair.
Yeah, no, I've got dibs on the abyss. If you want in, you gotta pay rent. Seriously, though, I had no idea you felt this way. Even if I never noticed, you hide it pretty well.
Skills acquired from many years of being the good child and keeping Mom off my back.
I can't believe you had to put any work into being the favorite. I thought I made it easy for you.
Nope. It took a lot to get up on this shining pedestal.
You make it look effortless.
And you... make it hard. It's hard, sometimes. Watching you do whatever you want. Our parents pin all their expectations for normal on me. Even if I don't want normal.
Don't worry. I'll let them know you're a freak, too. Freak?
Coming from you? They'll never believe it.
Thanks for coming out tonight, Nasser. I'm glad you're here.
And I'm glad I got to play L&L with you guys. That was fun.
Good, because I am never letting you and Reed hang out ever again.
You can't keep us apart, Fang. It's destiny.
Well, you're in too deep now. Good luck getting rid of us.
I wouldn't have it any other way. Now go apologize to Naomi before she kills us both.
Naomi,
What do you want, Fang? From me?
What? Listen, Naomi, I'm really, really sorry for everything. I can't believe what I said earlier. I'm so sorry. I don't want to be like this with you, ever. All of this stuff, it's just a lot. I feel like I'm drowning in everything, and I barely know how to tread water. And I know that's not an excuse to treat you like shit. I know I've let things fall apart. I mean, I've made things fall apart. And now I'm trying to fix it. And I just don't know how. I've never been the glue before, or like tried to hold things together at this scale. You're much better at this than I am.
I really am.
Yeah.
This is so messed up.
It is. Everything is insane right now.
I always had a lot to focus on. And this year feels like I've been desperately trying to fill the time with more and more anything to keep from thinking too hard.
Am I part of that?
When it comes to you, I can't stop thinking too hard. I don't know.
What do you need from me?
I need to reach the end of something before... I need to know what this is, Fang. Us.
If it wasn't for you, I don't think I would have survived this year. Even when I didn't know it was you, you kept me grounded. You helped me achieve one of my oldest dreams. I'm done keeping you waiting. Whatever time we have left, I want to spend it with you. I want to be here with you. I want to face it all together. If you still want that.
I want it.
Nasser is gonna be insufferable about this.
Oh, it's going to be a spectacle.
It's a nice night.
Yeah. Is that all you got right now?
Yeah, the rough draft is still coming together. Listen, Trish, I'm sorry. I haven't been a good friend lately, or like, at all. I've been doing whatever I want and ignoring what you want, and with everything that's happening with you and Rosa and bug stuff and the future, I think I'm scared that you just don't want me around anymore. And I miss you.
I haven't gone anywhere.
It feels like you have, though. Or that you're about to. Like you're about to disappear if I don't hold on tight. And I think that makes me hold on a little too tight.
A little?
Okay, a lot. But still.
Well, you're right. I don't want you around. I need you around, dude. You're my best friend. Wherever I am, whatever I'm doing, I want to be able to share that with you. We don't have to love the same things. We still love each other, right?
But you weren't sharing stuff with me, though. You were sharing it with Rosa. And leaving the band. What?
Dude, if you had gotten your CaldersFest brainworms out of there for like 1 second, Never mind. Listen, when have I ever not shared stuff with you? You and Reed are constantly telling me that I know too much about arthropods and need to talk less about the mechanics of worm mating.
Okay, fair. But, I don't know. It just felt like there wasn't any room for me in your life the more into it you got. And when you said you wanted out of the band, that felt like it was just the final nail in the coffin.
I will always have room for you, dumbass. Worms forever?
Worms forever. You know what? Fuck CaldersFest. We'll do it ourselves. If we're gonna go out with the show of the century. All of us. The 8 members of Worm Drama. Hey, if you guys want to.
Fang, that was incredibly cringe. And I love you.
Raging against the meteor. I like it.
I am the obvious choice for Hype Man MC.
Can't roll the end credits without a closing track, right?
Let's melt some faces. And skulls. Brains!
Wait! Don't we need, like, a place?
Shit, you're right. We need a venue. No Lava Java.
Wait a sec.
Mr. President.
Hold on. One more speech. Before this year, I had all these plans. And when my future became a maybe, I held on so hard. Too hard. I'm sorry. I kind of freaked out, and I guess I wanted to say,
We know.
who needs a future when all my friends are in the present? Oh, one more thing. Since we've been inducted into the band, we need to do a pre-show ritual, don't we?
Naomi.
You worked so hard on that. We can't.
It's time to let go. I'm here now, with you. And I can't think of any better tribute for the worm gods of music.
I vote yes.
I don't think this is a voting type situation.
I mean, it does kind of belong to all of us. Or it was supposed to.
Does. You did a great job.
So, what do you say, Fang?